far cry from the conference average of Mark Caguioa. Only 6 points. But I'm sure he still has enough to smile about because his team is turned up by 5 points. Even though yung kanyang output ganun kababa lamang.
Six-point lead para sa Ginebra. They're keeping Air 21 at bay here in the second half. Ranidel de Ocampo over to Billones. Billones goes to Canaleta for 3. Yes, sir! PM3 for Canaleta, and he is humming here in the third quarter. Meron na siyang 13 points.
He has 8 points in this third quarter. That's his third 3 of the ball game. It all started with that 3 kanina out of that turnover that he hit. And now, ito na nga, gumaganda na shooting niya. Para naman kay Mark Caguioa. Those free throws may start itong pagpainit nito si Mark Caguioa.
11 points para kay Caguioa after that PM3. Ano yung mga bate ng Ginebra? 74-68. Under 2 minutes to go in the third quarter. De Ocampo. Kanina pa inaatake yung depensa ni Chris Alexander, who has 4 personal fouls. De Ocampo now with 6 points in the ballgame.
Yeah, that's just a 6 point of Ranidel. But you have to think that Air 21 will really find it difficult to win if Ranidel, he has 6. And then Arwin Santos only has 2 points. And watch out, this might be the 5th foul of Ranidel. Well, it's going to go against Arwin Santos. But look at the quickness and the change of direction of Mark Caguioa. Sunod-sunod na puntos na ang binibigay nito si Mark Caguioa.
Of course, Caguioa telling Arwin Santos, if I can't shoot over you, I'll just have to go around you. Although hindi niya nakumpleto ang 3-point play. With a minute and 15 to go, ano yung mga inahabol dito ng Air 21 in the third quarter? Here's Santos. Kick out. De Ocampo. Inside. Canaleta. Outside. Billones for 3. PM3 for Egay Billones.
Now he's really been trying from outside. Ito si Egay Billones. That's his third attempt. And all his attempts actually have come from 3-point range.
Here's Caguioa missing that time. And referee